One of my favorite things to grill is shish tawuk. This chicken is absolutely juicy and so flavorful, and it's really easy to put together too. I start off by cubing my pieces of chicken breast. I like to use skinless, boneless breast or thighs. The meat is then seasoned with a generous amount of spices, as well as some olive oil, fresh lemon juice, tomato paste, some fresh garlic, and of course, some yogurt. The yogurt is really going to tenderize the meat, and I ideally like to marinate this overnight, but you could do the day of. Place the chicken pieces onto a metal skewer, just like this, until you're out of chicken. Now make sure that your grill is hot, roughly around 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. My grill grate is also clean and oiled before placing the chicken skewers. I grilled them for several minutes on each side until you achieve this beautiful color and sear. The chicken is cooked through once it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and you are left with the most delicious bite.